park set. We just need a tree moved. There we go. Nice and quiet. And 5, 4, 3, 2, track.
Julia, the character, is a wonderful Muppet who has autism. She's a 4-year-old little girl who's very enthusiastic. She's very joyful, and she sings. Through the initiative See Amazing, of which Julia is a part of, what we're bringing awareness is around reducing the stigma that often surrounds autism, but more importantly, also showing what all children share in common and driving a much better understanding around autism. But it's also to connect with the autism community and see what they all share in common.
All right, let's do our little touch-up.
We started with a storybook, and that storybook was when Julia was first introduced to Sesame Friends. And suddenly the response was incredible, not only from the autism community, but from everyone. Suddenly, children were seeing an example that was positive of someone with autism, and seeing that reflection was incredible. So we said our next step was really bringing her to life, and she became part of our programming as well.
And working it. Take a walk under the stars, what makes you smile today?
What you're seeing is not only Julia, but you're seeing now suddenly her family coming to life. We're seeing Julia's brother, Samuel, and we're seeing her mom and dad, and also this incredible dog named Rose. Our philosophy around Julia is to keep evolving her story. And so we'll see what we do in the future, but most likely a little bit more about siblings, the relationship between her and also her brother Samuel. What it's meant to teach all children is what we all share in common, whether they have autism or they do not. They love to play. They have families. They love to read and sing, and they love to have friends. And that's what we want to strive, is this idea that what all children share in common, but also from a child's perspective.
Oh, this is so nice that you came to visit us. Yes. Is that your favorite animal? That one there? Kangaroo? I love your ammo. I just want to hug him. I just want to hug